3. Revanth Reddy visited the historic 900-year-old University of Oxford in London on Friday as part of the Telangana Rising delegation, advancing Telangana's vision of becoming a global destination for education, research, innovation and investment. During the visit, the Chief Minister held discussions with Professor Maya Tudor of the Blavatnik School and Professor Faisal Devji of Balliol College. The Telangana Rising vision was presented and the state government's plans to transform Hyderabad into a global education hub were outlined. The Chief Minister invited the University of Oxford to explore bringing its executive education programs, specialized research capabilities and academic ecosystem to Hyderabad, including the possibility of establishing a dedicated center in the city.